welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope everyone is doing fine. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट जिसके बारे में सुन के मैं खुद भी थोड़ा सा सरप्राइज हो गई थी. So if you guys want to know more about this product, then keep on watching. But before that, guys, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the notification bell to get notified for my future video. Now let's get started. So guys, आज के वीडियो में जिस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, it's right over here. It's from the brand Kama Ayurveda and it's basically their organic moringa oil. Now first of all guys, let me tell you, जैसे ही मैंने moringa oil के बारे में सुना, I was like, क्या सच में moringa oil भी होता है? मुझे सच में नहीं पता था that you know moringa oil भी होता है. And guess what guys, once I did a little bit research on this particular thing, I came to know about so many different things about this particular kind of oil. Now before I talk more about the oil, let's talk about moringa itself. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि moringa क्या है, basically it's a kind of vegetable that is eaten at least in Bengal. हम इसे खाते हैं और मैंने थोड़ा सा रिसर्च किया तो मुझे पता चला हिंदी में इसे सहजन बोलते हैं. तो basically it's a kind of vegetable that is eaten, and as a Bengali kid I have eaten it so many times. Like I've eaten moringa so many times. और मुझे सच में नहीं पता था कि इसके जो seeds हैं वो seeds से you can make oil. Now guys, apart from this मुझे ये भी पता चला है कि this particular tree, moringa tree or the drumstick tree as it is said in English, it is extensively used in Ayurveda and it's indigenous to India. So you know it has like a lot of use here in the Ayurveda. Guys, before I talk about the benefits of this oil and how we are supposed to use it and everything, before we move on to that, let me talk a little bit about the brand. Though I believe that Kama Ayurveda needs no introduction, but still if you're not aware of this brand, let me tell you, it's actually one of my favorite brands. Like it's a really good brand, and you get 100% organic products over here. And when they say 100% organic, they mean 100% organic. And if they say it's pure, so it's 100% pure. There's nothing mixed in it. For example, this itself, it says that this is just cold pressed and pure moringa oil. And let me show you at the back on the ingredient list, it's just written moringa oil, which means it has only cold pressed moringa oil. That's it, nothing else. No. Now guys, let's talk about the price of this product. The price of this product is rupees 1450 for 100 ml of product. Now guys, I'm basically going to tell you how to use this product. So what you need to do is you're basically supposed to take 3 to 4 drops of this oil and massage this on your clean skin in circular motions using your fingertips. So once you're done massaging, you're supposed to allow this oil to work on your skin for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're supposed to cleanse your face using any face cleanser of your choice. Apart from your face, guys, you can also apply this on your body. So you can just take a little bit of this and apply it on your body in circular motions and leave it on for 30 minutes, and then just take a bath in lukewarm water. And yes, you can also use a body cleanser, just to cleanse everything off. Guys, if you're just wondering what does moringa oil do for the skin, it's basically anti-pollution and hydrating. So it has the power to protect your skin from pollution, and it provides your skin with hydration at the same time. Now what I basically love about this particular product is, first of all guys, when you're applying it, it's very lightweight. It's not a very thick sticky oil. It's nothing like that. It's very lightweight. And guys, the best thing is that the moment you apply it, you realize the power, the hydration power that it has. Like very hydrating, guys. It just immediately hydrates your skin, and it just retains the moisture perfectly in your skin. Now, so guys, overall I would say it's a very good product. I have used products from Kama Ayurveda before as well, and till then guys, whichever product I've used from this particular brand, none of the products have ever disappointed me. All their products are amazing. So this one is amazing as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and give it a try, the link is down in my description box. You all can go and check out the link. And yes, that's all for the video. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all of you take care, and yes, Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye bye.